All right, I'll edit you out.
Look at her. She's like a young lady now. So when a little girl is 2.5,
Is it your new haircut?
you double their height.
Is that your new hair?
Drop.
Yeah. Look at your new haircut. Is your hair pretty?
I'm exactly double what I was on my second birthday.
See how pretty it is? See how fluffy it is in the back?
She's 2.5.
Very, very cute. Look at mommy. Say hi.
She's 2.5.
Can I see you? Say hi. Say, look at how vogue my hair is. I'm very cute. My hair looks very cute.
If you double it when you were 2.
Dance. Dance.
For girls.
Dance. Dance.
So when I was 2, I was 40.5.
Pretty, pretty Angelina.
I'm exactly double what I was
Pretty,
when I was
pretty
2.
Angelina.
It seems off.
With your new hair.
I would think like
I love this haircut. Love, love, love this haircut. Ah,
check it out.
turn around, Ange.